Happy Super Bowl Sunday. Cool Kids YouTube channel out in Watts. Let's go Niners. Getting here around noon. Been open for a couple hours. This community store as well as East LA, they did get the Kobe 8s that dropped earlier this week. They still got t-shirts and hoodies. The hoodies they're pretty thin, dude. They're pretty thin. I thought they'd be more premium. Not really. Some of them have been super premium, pretty whatever. $70 for those. They got large, medium, small, and then they got the t-shirts. And yeah, the t-shirts, they're just regular t-shirts, dog. And yeah, I definitely am paying what, $40? What are these, 40 bucks, something like that? Huge Kobe fan, but you know, money's a little bit tight right now for me. But yeah, they do got these. They do got them small, medium, large, extra large. Okay, this one finally. Yeah, $40 for the t-shirt right there. Back wall, they are giving 20% off right now. Got dunks. Got dunks right here. These are 9.5 down to 100. 2 bills for these size 10. $58 for the ice shot wears right here. Remember, you do get an extra 20 off. These are slightly imperfect though, so make sure you guys check your pairs when it says slightly imperfect. Damn, black cement boxes right here. Dang it. Jordan MVPs. $165. Seeing a lot of dunks right here, size 11. Retail though, what color is that? What the hell? Amber brown? And I am a huge fan of dunks. SB dunks. Freaking love these bad boys. So soft. 9.5, 36. Lows down to 70 bucks. Oh, these are 9, my bad. 70 bucks. You get full box too. 70 bucks for these. So 70 times 80%. You get these for under $60, dude. $60. Was that 56 bucks? $56 for these bad boys. Not bad. Not bad. Jordan 1 low golf. They crossed out the 140 and then put 140. That's funny. Looking for refurbs, not really finding much. 125 for the Unity 3s, Cosmic Unities. Refurb on these, KD Tray 5.9s, going for $48. Got some Hirachis, Nike by Adrian, $155. These are small, size 8. Air Max 90s right here, go for 90 bucks. That's a solid price, especially with that 20 off. Got the Sakai Blazers right here, $70. These are 8.5. Blazer lows, pretty much free, $45. So 36 bucks, 36 freaking dollars. It is tumbled leather. This is clean as hell for $36. This is like new too, so damn, pretty much free, yo. Jordan 4 ADGs right here go for 93. That's a 9.5. Air More Up Tempos. It's a 6.5 men's, which is weird. 140 for these. Vapor Max. These are mocks though. Holy cow. No laces or nothing. Haven't really seen these too often. $120 for those, size 9.5. Got these right here. Packers colorway of the Terminators, 8.5. Retail. Oh, that's what's up. That's what's up. French blue Jordan 13s. Be able to get these for 20 off. Not bad. Not bad. Starting to find J's, starting to find interesting stuff. That's what I'm talking about. Kind of moving up to the bigger sizes. $110 for these. I'm telling you, if you guys see these in person, the material on these are just so nice. So freaking nice. These are an SE. Just that colorway, man. These remind me of the Jordan 1 High Fuchsias or something. Just colorway, so awful. Material, so nice. $110 for these size 10. Seen a bunch of these in a bunch of different colorways. What's the price though? I can't tell. The Sakai's $70. Del Dons right here, size 10 men's, 11.5 women's. These are technically a women's shoe. But yeah, I did grab one of these for $25 at the clearance store earlier this week. That was pretty fire. Witnesses 11.5 go for $65. Crazy colorway though. ACG Locates. Refurbished. These are gently worn. $58 for these, 11.5. Came here hoping to find a bunch of refurbs. Didn't really find it much. Naija free twos going for $50. This is a size 13 right here. Metcon, or size 14. Metcon 7X going for 70. Air Max 90s right here. This does not look that big. And these are size 10. No price tag. Big Feet Gang right here. Jordan 1 Low Golf 140. Just for single for retail. Size 12. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here with some alligator skin. Faux alligator skin. 140 for those. Size 11.5. Pegasus Turbo Next Nature's $90. I need to clean my kiddos pair. Just forgot about those. Dang. Jordan Stadium 90s going for 70. Look at these mids. Look at these mids. $55. 55 bucks. So under $50 for Jordan 1 mid. That's insane. Under 50 bucks. Size 16s right here. Jordan 1 Elements with the Gore-Tex on it. 2 bills. And got these huge ones right here. Size, this is 18s. Size 16 and a half. What the hell? What? Oh, this is a women's. A size 15 men's. 15 men's. It's going for retail. Size 15. They did extended size a few things. Look at this 2021. It's going for 67. That's a hell of a deal. And this one right here, Cosmic Unity 3's 55 for those in a size 16. So there are some deals. A lot of changes in the aisles. They used to have a bunch of Jordans right there. In the meantime, we'll check out the clearance section out here. They marked stuff down lately or something because we weren't really finding clothing deals. You do get 20% off right now, but look at this. 15 bucks for a Jordan shirt. 15 bucks. And then you get that extra 20 off, so this goes down to $12. $12 for a Jordan shirt, not bad. Is this like a windbreaker? This is like the thinnest windbreaker. I think it's for running. $70. All right, so they marked down some stuff. Obviously not everything, because that's just hella expensive. 35 for this right here. Nice little white polo. $30 for this one. Look at this, 30 to 30. That's kind of the way it works when you look for clearance deals. Yeah, these are marked down 65, 65. So yeah, 45 to 55 down to 46 on this one. We did get an extra 20 off, so not too bad. If I remember, these were hella cheap. If I remember, yeah, 15 bucks. 15 bucks with $13 for these. These are smalls. There's a large right here too. On the back side, they got some jackets and stuff. Fleece jacket, 55 right there. This one's dope. USA hoodie right here, $70. This is U.S. men's national soccer team hoodie right here. This is dope. 70 bucks though. You know, obviously that's the retail. At least you get a slight discount. 65 for this one, double XL. Then they got a poofy jacket, a winter jacket. Probably needed this about a month ago. Damn, $325. $325, and somebody was trying to see how much the OG price was, the original price. Okay. Got 4XL tech fleece, $155 for those. Small tech fleece for $155 as well. Then starting to find deals when it comes to winter. SoCal, we really do get like winter for like a month and a half, maybe 2 months. $40 for those, normally $68. And then look at this one. Look at this. This is nice. This is pretty thick. Pretty thick. And yeah, 45 down to 25 bucks, 20 extra percent off. That's 20 bucks. 20 bucks for Nike sweats. Hell of a deal. Got some slacks right here. Got some Nike golf slacks. I don't know where the hell the price tag is. Yeah, I don't see a price tag. This is a price tag, but this is for those, what's that, yoga pants or something? 50 for those. Let's see, got some, what are these, SB cargo pants or something? $90 for these. I don't think they're SB though, but they're cargo pants. Where they ever see cargo pants? We're gonna go through this rack real quick. 55 for this fleece jacket. Therma long sleeve tee, size large, 60 bucks. All kinds of random t-shirts, super bright color, $40. Guess it's a dry fit. Nike polo, 50 bucks. Bengals t-shirt go for 35. XL Chargers hoodie. It's super thin hoodie. Dry fit 70 bucks. Got Tech Fleece 135 XL. Then they do have shorts. Look at how short these shorts are. Y'all kids are crazy. Start feeling wind in the upper thigh. That's just a foreign thing for me. But obviously, younger kids, y'all used to it. Y'all used to it. 45 for those shirts. I don't know. Nothing really too crazy. I got running shorts and stuff like that, but nothing sticks out too much. Got these. I don't know what the hell. Is these like slacks shorts or something? What the hell? But yeah, these 55 for those. This is not an SB and it does have belt loops, so that worker that I talked to a while back, they might have been wrong. There's pleats. Do got some interesting stuff in the end caps, like a Miami Dolphins colorway. I have some dunks right here, pretty interesting. Jordan 7s right here. Tatum's, I saw this one in the aisle, and then dunk low mids right here. Those remind me of something. If you guys follow my IG, I did talk about this. One of my kids' friends at school, they are both on the flag football team, and then I think his teammate was wearing this to school, and my kid was wearing some Hokas, and my kid let him wear the Hokas during the football game so he wouldn't trash these Jordans. And I'm like, man, those Hokas cost $150, dog. What are you doing? I just joking with him because, you know, it's all good. I could just wash the Hokas. At least they're made for running. These are for casual wear, so I definitely felt bad if he had to wear these during the game. But yeah, not everybody has, 50 pair of sneakers. It's all good, you know what I'm saying? So I thought that was pretty hilarious. I told him I'd clean the shoes for him and everything, so it's all good. But yeah, 135. I forgot these are SEs. Still got the Hyper Dunk lows. People do not remember, I guess, how hyped fools were about those. Everybody used to love these. Yep. Jordan 1 Low Golf, Jordan 1 Low SEs, couple of Jordan 2s, Jordan 2 Low right here. These are starting to go down in price. Grade school only, technically not really, but pretty much, because they only have up to a men's 6.5. Ombre 7s, white infrared 7s, and then all kinds of Team J's, aka non-signatures, aka who gives EF. That's what some of y'all say. Holy crap, that's definitely the cheapest we've seen. These $33? I'm sorry, $34. 34 bucks for Jordan Air 200s. Holy cow. Got some Tatum 1s right here. Westbrook Take 2s. I guess they increased the price of the $64.97 to $80 now. If I find this one, I'm trying to get it for that price. Then more Team J's right here, Zoom 92s, and then this other stuff. Also got some Air Morph Tempo 96s. Airspan 2 premiums going down and down. This one will get there eventually. Laser Low acronyms. Holy cow. Flyknit Racers, 2017s, and these are continue to go, and these will continue to go down as well. I've pretty much been seeing these at every outlet. Got some trainers. These are starting to go down in price as well. And LeBron Next Gens right here. Was almost done with the aisles, but that's the cheapest we've ever seen. Pegasus, right? These are Pegasus 38 Shields. Pegasus Trail 3s right here. We got Pegasus is 50, 70, and 50 bucks, depending on the colorway. All right, now we're checking out some of the apparel. 50% off. It says pants only. I think it's this one. Because I saw one of the customers ask, and I think it's this one. Maybe there was another one here. I don't know. But they had sweats for 20 bucks, man. Dang it. I was busy checking out other stuff for you guys. Do got t-shirts right here. I think these are running t-shirts. Yeah, Nike running t-shirts. $40. You do get an extra 30 off for these things right here. These polos right here, 30% off of these. And they're okay. They're just regular polos. $35. They got white. They got blue, and everything else is not polos, I guess. Jordan t-shirts, you get 20% off. Those are $30 right there. They still do have the Jordan UNC jerseys right here, $85 normally, $1.20. Now they do have some random stuff right here, $10 for what the hell are these things? But yeah, got Nike Elite socks right here, $16. So you get 20 bucks off. I'm not even. Oh, okay. These are $10. You get 20% off. These are only like 16 bucks each. So come out to $8, almost 50% off. Got these bucket hats. Is that what these are called? Fishing hats, $13. On feet, I did on DS these Nike SB Dunk lows this morning. Does have the gum bottoms, nubuck, just super nice. Love the SB Dunk low material. And then jeans. Oh, I didn't even notice. I was wearing a PSG long sleeve shirt right here. Jordan PSG long sleeve shirt, and then Niners hat. Let's go Niners, man! Bulls better win today. Moving on to the women's section. I see these right here. These are hella nice. These are definitely oh, maybe they're not in that but it is all suede. Material is just so freaking nice on these. Colorways actually pretty dope too. Wow, these are actually dope. Similar to, I'm gonna be honest, these are similar to some SB Dunks. $135, get that extra 20% off. Mine are new bucks, so I guess I can't really compare, but these look pretty dope. The SB Dunks also have like more padding and it's different in other ways, but the quality of material up there with the SB Dunks, I'm not gonna lie, man. Be able to get these for under retail is pretty dope. That's a size 9 right there in the women's. $250 for these 6s. Got some Dunk Twist right here, $125. Pegasus Trail 4s. I thought I'd see a lot more dope refurbs. Not really seeing too much today, but I also did come here hella late, so kind of my fault. Women's 8 Huarache size 6. Pretty decent color right there. Zoom X Ultra Flies, $156. That has an interesting midsole. That's not, wow, it's like encased or something. That's kind of interesting. Okay, like new right there. MS 97, size 7, $175. Size 6, $150 for the Jordan 2s right there. Invincible Run Flyknits, size 8.5 women's. These are fire as hell. Pretty cool colorway for women too. $185 though, full price day. Wait, Invincible Run 4s right here. Nike by You, $95 for these. So these are what? Under what? They're about $70? $70. Not bad. The colorway's not bad either. That's a pretty dope colorway. Yeah, that's not bad. All right, guys, that's pretty much about it. Hopefully the video is long enough. I don't feel like I got that much content, but there really wasn't that much there. I like coming here because they got that refurbished merch and sometimes just find crazy deals. So yes, I definitely got to keep stopping by. Someone said, what's up? Appreciate you, brother. Appreciate you. But yeah, Nike outlets always up and down. This place was pretty dope. They had a few things definitely worth getting, but not crazy. They did have some Jordans. They did have some Dunks. Pretty typical of the trips here. But yeah, hopefully the Niners do it today. Hopefully the Niners, man, I'm gonna be so sad if they lose, man. But I'm gonna be pretty hammered by the time you guys watch this. But yeah, hopefully the Niners can come through. Make sure you guys help with what. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Subscribe, press that notification bell. I got plenty of videos coming. And I gotta hurry. I gotta hit up a couple stores, and then I need to go look at a car. I don't know. I'm so lost on what kind of car to get. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Second one of these that I've seen on the road, a Cybertruck. Don't really see that too often. Looks weird. Looks weird as hell. I'm driving a pickup truck, and that does not look like a pickup truck, but good for Tesla for doing something different, unique. Supposedly hella fast too. Interesting.